All right, we're going to work this out. Print the array words, which I created above, 1 word per line like this. Okay, so I already gave you the array. We can just say for, well, one way to do it is just to print the 2 parts. System.out.println, words 0. That's probably the easiest thing to do. And then copy that line, paste it, and print words 1. That'll print good, and then morning. And you could also do a for loop, which we'll do in a second, but let's just do it that way since there are only 2 items. The next thing I want you to do is print the array nums, which I also created, all on one line using a for loop. So let's do that. For int I equals 0, I less than nums.length. Remember, there's no parentheses on the length because this is an array. I don't need curly brackets because I'm only doing one thing here, a print, and I'm printing nums, square bracket I. We say that out loud, nums at I sometimes. And then I want a space. And then when the for loop's over, I want to print a blank line. So let's try that. We should get good morning, and then 9, -9, -8, blah, blah, blah. Whoops. Anyway, this is what I wanted. I thought I did it in the opposite order. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's good. This is what I wanted. I didn't want you to get all fancy. I'm going to copy that for later. So forget my instructions. They will be different on your copy because I'm going to fix it. And create a new integer array values. Int array values equals new int. And I said it has to have a random number of entries from 10 to 20 inclusive. So right here inside, this is where we put the number. Like if I wanted to have 10 values, we'd put a 10 there. So I'm asking for a random number here. So we're going to say int, and then another set of parentheses, math.random. And then we go times, and from 0 to 9 inclusive is if we just go times 10. So that'll create the array. And now fill the values array with random integers from, oh no, I wanted 10 to 20, sorry. 10 to 20, 20 minus 10 plus 1 is 11. So, sorry, my bad. And then we're going to say plus 10. All inside the square brackets, see that? Or you could do it on another line if you prefer. And now we're going to fill it with 0 to 9. So for int I equals 0, I less than values.length. So we have to use values.length here because we don't know how long it is. I mean, unless we saved it in a variable. But and now we're going to say values, square bracket I equals, and we're going to do an integer. Int. And now we're going to do the one I had before, math.random times 10. And then I want to print it. And we could print it right here. And there's nothing. Print values I plus a space. And we will have it. That'll be the whole thing. Each time you run it, it'll be a different number of things on that last line. There you go.